So the sides are here. We don't need those yet. This is the backing for that next section. So then there's these. These have to come. So I guess the sides fit right on these pegs. Next we have just about almost 1 o'clock. I started a couple hours ago. This is how long it takes me to put something together by myself. Because I have to take a million breaks. So now we are at step 8. So we did step 7. We got those on. H and I. And now we need E and all the hardware. So we need E, which is the doors, I think. No, at the bottom. Okay. Find E. Let's find E. Okay. That's F. So we'll put that over there. This is B. So we'll put that over there. And these are L. These are the doors. This must be the E. There it is. There's E. My camera's not focusing, but that's E. I don't know what it's trying to focus on. Okay. We're down here again, ready to go. We gotta put E on the bottom. But first, we have to put the hardware here for the doors to close. So, we have to put the hardware on here. So first we find the hardware. So 4, 5, 6. We'll need these latches. 2 of those. We're gonna put these on. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, I can't sit like that. It hurts. Okay. This is hard for me to do. Okay. Okay. Pretty sure this is the best I can do for you to see. what I'm doing. So I'll put these. I need the instructions, and they're underneath the foam. Yeah, I need these. So. Oh, already tired. Oh. Okay, I have to take the magnets off. Screws. Yeah, see, I don't know why they didn't give a regular screwdriver. This. They only give Allen wrenches, no regular screwdriver. I guess I assume everybody has a screwdriver. No, I can't find mine. Yep. Got it. Okay. Let's do this. I need a better screwdriver. This is not working. This is a cheap dollar store screwdriver, and they make the point too long. I keep meaning to like file it down or something, but I have to go get a different one. I'll be right back. So, I found something from a different product where they sent me a big Allen wrench with a screw head on one side and Allen wrench on the other. I'm gonna try that on here. Maybe. My hands are gonna let me do it today. To use two hands. And yes, I have a drill. I don't want to go get it because I have to go out to the shed. But then first I have to move the van because I parked too close because I had company. And I don't want to. So I guess I'm torturing myself. I don't feel like doing all that. Okay, I got one of them on. And I'm getting too warm, so I gotta start shedding some layers here. We had a cool morning, but not anymore. Okay. See if we can get this other one on. Take off the magnet. screws started. Okay. I was just thinking a few minutes ago that I haven't started cursing yet at this thing. And that was really good, but right now, I'm starting to want to. Taking me 2 hands and a long time to get these screws in here. So challenging. We have disabilities. My life is so challenging. I got them done. Both of them. See? They're on. Okay. Time to take another break.